Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add noise effects in your video by using Capcut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Capcut app. Now tap on new project. Then select your video. In here, if you go to effect and then video effect, you guys will find out this and then search noise effect. Here you guys will find out the noise effects. Choose the noise effect that you want to work with. I'm going to add another noise effect here. Follow the previous way and then you guys will find out the noise effect again. I'm going to use this noise effect here and then I'm going to adjust it a little. Now let's watch the video. So this is how you guys can add noise effect in your video by using Capcut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.